NEC 695.6b addresses the requirements for fire pump supply conductors on the load side of the final disconnecting means and overcurrent device. It mandates that these conductors be kept entirely independent of all other wiring, supplying only loads directly associated with the fire pump system. A critical aspect of this code section is the protection of these conductors to resist potential damage by fire, structural failure, or operational accidents. The code permits several methods for routing these conductors through a building, including encasing them in a minimum of 50 mm or 2 inches of concrete, using an enclosed construction dedicated to the fire pump circuit with a minimum 1I or fire resistive rating, or employing a listed electrical circuit protective system with a minimum 1I or fire rating. There is an exception that the supply conductors located in the electrical equipment room where they originate and in the fire pump room shall not be required to have the minimum 1I fire separation or fire resistance rating, unless otherwise required by 700.9d of this code. The question arises whether installing fire pump circuit conductors and conduit and under not less than 450 mm or 18 inches of earth beneath a building or other structure, as described in NEC 230.6, satisfies the protective requirements of NEC 695.6b. The answer is yes. Installing fire pump circuit conductors and conduit in under at least 450 mm or 18 inches of earth beneath a building, according to NEC 230.6, fulfills the requirement outlined in NEC 695.6b that they shall be protected to resist potential damage by fire, structural failure, or operational accident. NEC 230.6 specifically deals with conductors considered outside of a building. Section 230.6 details one of the acceptable methods, which involves installing the conductors and conduit and burying them under at least 450 mm or 18 inches of earth beneath a building or other structure. This method is recognized for providing robust physical protection to the conductors. By burying the conduit containing the fire pump circuit conductors under at least 450 mm or 18 inches of earth, the installation provides a significant barrier against physical damage. This depth of burial protects the conductors from potential damage caused by ground movement, digging, or other construction activities. Additionally, the earth provides a degree of thermal insulation, which can help protect the conductors from the effects of fire. The combination of the conduit and the earth cover provides a substantial level of protection against structural failure. In the event of a building collapse or other structural damage, the buried conductors are less likely to be affected compared to conductors routed through the building interior. This is because the earth acts as a buffer, absorbing some of the impact and distributing the load. The burial of the conductors also protects them from operational accidents. For example, if there is an explosion or other incident within the building, the buried conductors are less likely to be damaged compared to those located inside. This is because the earth provides a barrier, shielding the conductors from the direct effects of the incident. In summary, burying fire pump circuit conductors and conduit under at least 450 mm or 18 inches of earth, as per NEC 230.6, provides a high level of protection against physical damage, fire, structural failure, and operational accidents. This method is therefore considered to satisfy the protective requirements of NEC 695.6b.